Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 18th. 18th. Happy Friday. So let's go over the overall market today and let's see how the SPY was. So if I open up the SPY real quick and you see the SPY actually tanked, right? I'm not sure what happened. Maybe it's a technical breakout on the bottom side, but seems like it broke the support, which was around 371. So let's see what the daily looks like today on this. So let me pull up the daily chart. If we pull that up, right? We have a red day today for sure. So hopefully tomorrow a small green day and then we come back down and go back up. So it's kind of like the pattern was falling over here, right? This red candle kind of looks like this candle and then goes down, up, down. So let's see how it goes. But let's go over the watch list anyways. So today I was watching CYTH was on watch, but it was a bit too expensive for me. So it was just on the back burner. XLEA, CNSP from yesterday, SQFT, CURO wasn't on watch at the moment, MREO, VTGN as well. So let's look over these stocks. Well, first, so I traded today atnf, right? AMPE. atnf was also on the watch, but it died off. I think that's why it's not showing up. SUNW as well. So only 3 stocks. So first, let me show you SQFT, which went crazy. And the reason why, because it didn't really have a daily resistance. So, I mean, it went all the way from 509 to $10. So this was hard to trade. Let's pull up the chart on it for today. So as you can see, I was actually watching this for the break of like 518, 517, but just because in the pre-market it kind of like fell down, it was a bit risky. That's why I didn't really trade it. But seemed like it was definitely a good move from all the way here. It got halted, went up, and then came back down, went back up, right? But after that it was all choppy. So and it just kind of tanked. Let's see, maybe tomorrow it might be in play again and we may have some good setups, but for now, nothing really. So let's go over AMPE real quick. AMPE had a good setup. And I was watching this for the break of $2 right here. Yep, $2. And I sold some on the way up. It went all the way to 208, and I think I got out at 203. I got out early. I don't know what I was seeing on level 2. I forgot, but I definitely got out early. So, and then Sun W is the other one that I want to show you guys. I had a trade on it for the break of 450 right here. I believe it was a break of 450. Let me double check. 460. Sorry, 460. For the break of 460, right, which was right here, and I sold some on the way up, and it actually went all the way to $5. So, 507, it came back down. Oh, actually went even higher. Wow. Okay. Wow. Definitely a good move, but I don't think I would have taken this trade at 507 break just because of too many green candles in a row. So maybe for the break of 5 would have been better for a good scalp. And but that's crazy. It's definitely a good move on this. So if you caught that, congrats. So that was that. And then the other one that we had was ATNF. That one, let's see. I can show you. I had a good move on this one. Almost like an 8-cent move on this, but it kind of died. This one, let's see. I got in, I believe, for the break of 330. And I sold some on the way up, I think around 338. Let me see. 329 entry, out at 337. And then I had another trade on it at 350 break, and it got out at 354. Just a small scalp. So, which was around this area right here, and got out pretty much. So not bad. Overall, not a bad day, I would say. Today I was green. I'm up to $151. So not bad, right? But stocks like Sun W that are like less crowded, they're much more easier to read, right? And as you see, the breakouts are much cleaner. So that's what I like, right? Just because a stock has a lot of volume doesn't mean it's going to be clean, right? As you can see today, XLEA had almost 88 million shares traded right now. So if we pull up XLEA, let's see if it was trading clean. XLEA. What am I not? Oh, XELA. Right. So if you look at XELA, I mean, look at this. I mean, there's just, it was crazy, right? So there's really no setup on this stock, just wicks, and then wicks here, and then wicks here, just really no clean setup, right? So that's why I try to stay away, stocks like this. But sometimes this stock does give a good move, but today really were no setups on it. Yeah. And another stock that did pretty well today, CURO. This kind of had, maybe a setup, but even then, no clean setup. If I was risking anything on this stock, it would be max 250 shares. That's it, 250 shares. And I would try to look for a break at 1650 right here. And write that as much as I can. So, but I didn't take trade on this just because I saw this like very, very late. But overall, not a bad day. I'm hoping next week we have some momentum, but just be cautious. It is holiday week, so there might not be clean volume, or there might be, who knows. But always follow your plan. Definitely subscribe, like, and comment. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribing, so make sure you do that so I can keep making these videos. Other than that, that's it from me. I will see you guys Monday.